All right, y'all, so I'm just leaving TAC 47 Industries. So Keith's actually going to trim down the barrel of the 12 gauge and put a big muzzle brake on it, which is going to reduce a lot of the recoil. Man, good people to do business with. I'm going to leave a link down. Anything that y'all have, I mean, they can fix anything, create whatever you want. So this is Chance, Cajun Tactical, signing out. Hey, y'all, this is Chance over at Cajun Tactical. Hey, so I just stopped by TAC 47 Industries to see Keith, and I'm going to drop my shotgun off to him. He's going to do a couple things, a few upgrades to it, and man, it's going to be a bad boy when I pick it back up from him. So I'll keep y'all posted with what's going on. TAC 47 Industries here in Katy, Texas. This is Chance with Cajun Tactical, signing out.